This video will go over project step number 7 of module 2. What needs to be done here is a formula needs to be calculated for the salary of Sarah. Sarah worked regular hours as well as overtime, and her rate is given. Overtime hours will be times and a half, 1.5, and we need to incorporate all that information into the formula for cell E7. Let's get to it. Your file format will not look like mine. I'm jumping into the project right into step number 7, whereas you would have done steps 1 through 6 already, and so yours would look different than mine. However, I'm showing you the instructions for completing step number 7, so what's relevant is just following what I do. In cell E7, type equal sign, then B7, the regular hours times the rate, $12 per hour. That would give the salary for the regular hours worked. Now we need to add the overtime hours, which is 5 hours, again times the rate of 12, but we also need to times by 1.5, 1.5, enter. Now we get a salary that's both for regular hours as well as overtime. Let's look at the formula again. This portion here is the regular hours worked. And the second part of the formula is the overtime hours, but overtime hours includes times and a half. So we need to multiply by 1.5. Now that's the salary for Sarah. We want to use the same formula and copy it down for Monica, Sam, as well as George. So the range E8 through E10. There are many ways of copying down the formula and the format. A very quick way is click on the cell, see the box around the cell, put your cursor at the bottom right corner. When you get to the cross like shown here, click on your mouse button, hold on to it, drag it down all the way to the cell E10, then let it go. The formula as well as the formatting has been copied down, and now we get the salary for the other 3 staff members, Monica, Sam, and George.